Who can resist soft, fluffy, and sweet donuts like this? Making it yourself at home turns out to be not as difficult as you imagined. Come on, let's make it together. First, prepare the ingredients first, okay? Ingredients for 15 donuts. High-protein flour, 250 grams, about 25 tablespoons. Note, high-protein flour must be used so that the donuts are soft, smooth, and chewy when bitten. Honey, use 30 grams, about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. Instant yeast, 5 grams, about 1.5 teaspoons. UHT, liquid milk, warm, 120 milliliters. First, mix the yeast and a little honey into warm milk. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until foam appears. This indicates that the yeast is active and ready to make our donuts rise perfectly. Now, mix the flour, remaining honey, and eggs. Gradually add the yeast mixture while stirring. Once it starts to form, add the butter and a pinch of salt. Continue kneading until the dough is completely smooth and elastic. If it is already smooth, shape the dough into a ball, place it in a container, and cover it with a clean cloth. Let it rest for about 45 minutes until it doubles in size. Donuts need some me time too, right? After the dough has risen, press it to release the air. Divide the dough into several small pieces weighing 45 grams, shape them into balls, and then make a hole in the center. You can use a mold or just use your fingers. It's very easy. Fry the donuts in hot oil over low heat. The secret is to flip the donut only once to avoid absorbing too much oil and to create a beautiful white ring in the center. First side, 60 to 90 seconds, until beautifully golden brown. Second side, 60 seconds, usually cooks a little faster on the second side. Drain the donuts and wait until they cool down a bit. Now for the most exciting part, add the toppings. You can use classic powdered sugar or dip them in melted chocolate and sprinkle colorful sprinkles according to your taste. And here it is, super soft, fragrant homemade donuts that are definitely addictive. Happy trying at home, and don't forget to share. It's really easy, right? Hurry up and subscribe so you don't miss out on other fail-proof cake recipes. The next video will be coming soon. Good luck.